Understanding I feel lightheaded, an English phrase explained. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a common English phrase that can be a bit puzzling for learners. I feel lightheaded. Whether you've encountered it in conversation, movies, or books, understanding what this phrase means and how to use it correctly can significantly enhance your English communication skills. So, let's get started. When someone says, I feel lightheaded, they are describing a specific physical sensation. Being lightheaded is a feeling of dizziness or being close to fainting. It's not quite the same as being dizzy, which involves a sensation of spinning. Instead, lightheadedness is more about feeling faint, weak, or unsteady, almost as if you might pass out. This sensation can be caused by many factors, such as dehydration, standing up too quickly, or not eating enough. Understanding the context in which someone says they feel lightheaded can help you grasp the severity of their situation. Now that you know what it means to feel lightheaded, let's look at how to use this phrase in sentences. It's typically used to express a temporary state of physical discomfort. Here are a few examples. After running the marathon, I felt lightheaded and had to sit down. If you feel lightheaded during the hike, make sure to tell me so we can take a break. She felt lightheaded after standing up too quickly and had to lean against the wall for support. Notice how the phrase is often used in scenarios involving physical activity, sudden changes in position, or health-related issues. If someone tells you they feel lightheaded, it's important to know how to respond appropriately. First and foremost, show concern and offer assistance. Here are some helpful responses. Sit down and take a deep breath. Do you need some water? Let's take a break and rest for a bit. It's important to listen to your body. If you're feeling lightheaded, maybe you should eat something. I have a snack if you need one. Understanding and reacting properly can make a big difference in ensuring the person's safety and comfort. Feeling lightheaded is a common experience, and now you know exactly what it means and how to talk about it in English. We hope this video has shed light on this phrase and added a useful expression to your English vocabulary. Remember, learning a language is all about understanding the nuances of how words and phrases are used in everyday life. Keep practicing, and you'll continue to improve. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.